Well, hello Crafty Critters and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing the Mystery 3 Colours of Glitter Slime Challenge. So as the Mystery 3 Colours of Challenge is going around, I thought I'd try it out with something that I've not seen anyone else do, and that is the 3 colours of glitter. The way it works is I will blindly pick 3 glitter tubes and have to add them to a clear slime that I've already pre-made. So if you're new, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at CraftyR to become a Crafty Critter. And if you'd like a shout out in my next video, comment down below something that you've done which is creative recently, something nice about my channel, or simply the hashtag Crafty Critter. Today's shout out goes to Mina's DIY Corner. You're being really supportive, and I know I say that for all of the shout outs, but all of my subscribers are genuinely really supportive. So thank you for that, there's your shout out. Now let's get on to the challenge. Okay, so over here I've got some freshly made clear slime. Obviously it's full of air bubbles at the moment, but it is the perfect texture and will look amazing once it's cleared up. And for anyone who's wondering, the glue I'm using is the Hobbycraft one. So now for the glitter picking. I've got all the colours in here and I have got my blindfold on. I can't show that for privacy reasons, so yeah, you just have to trust that I've got it on. Now let's pick out the colours. Going in for my first one. Colour number 1. I don't know if that's in frame. Colour number 2. And colour number 3. They're quite nice colours. I've got like 2 iridescent ones and a just classic gold one. So now let's see what these look like mixed into the slime. Okay, so let's add in the glitters. I'm going to try and make this as satisfying as possible, therefore I'm not going to talk, and I'm doing 2 rounds of this, so I've split the slime in half. So my thoughts on this slime. I think it could be prettier in terms of the colours because it's kind of like a yellowy greeny colour, so it doesn't really suit for a pretty glitter slime. But saying that, when you stretch it, it makes the prettiest iridescent colours, as you can see on camera. And it also has great bubble pops and has a really nice tip. Now for round 2. Let's pick out the colours. Okay, colour number 1. Colour number 2. And colour number 3. Let's hope these are slightly better. You've got 2 really similar ones and then a purple, and they're all iridescent ones, so this will be interesting. Now let's mix them. my thoughts on this slime. This one has a much nicer undertone of colour. It's a sort of like a pinky rosy colour, and it's got again the iridescent colours in it. I don't think the camera's picking it up, but they look so good. I'll just zoom out a bit so you can see. Hopefully you can see some of that colour, and it reminds me of like princesses, and as you can hear, those bubble pops are insane. We're going to mix them together. This is going to make the ultimate colour. And there you go. That is the finished mixed glitter slime. It looks amazing, and I'm actually really happy with the colour of it, considering I liked one slime and didn't like the other. So just now we need to wait for this to clear up. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!